Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Physics Surgery, right? So this is the announcement number 3. So in case you've not read through or gone through the announcements 1 and 2, so the links are in description. So for those who are watching for the first time today, this is a happy announcement, right? For both students and myself, I should say, that I have completed 50 videos and it was not much of a time that I've started uploading. So the credit should go to the people who have supported me, both from my side and also from the subscriber side, giving their valuable suggestions time and again, what they want from me and all that. So as a not just a gift, I should say, because the JE Advanced and JE Mains exams are also coming closer, right? I thought, and along with the Olympiad in November that has been announced recently, I thought there should be something that I should give back to the subscriber base and the students who are visiting and liking my channel. Okay, so this is an announcement number 3. I'm going to start a special series of AITS Select Solution series, in which we'll be selecting good questions which are pertaining to the JE Advanced level, and we'll form a solution series, and I'll try to upload as many questions as possible, more frequently than what I have been doing in the recent past. Okay, so the Select AITS would be from the reputed institutes that you know of, right? Not, I've named just 4 of them. We'll be looking at even more, like VMC, and there is Bansal material, everything, right? So majorly we'll be going for LN test series and FITGI, AITS, and also the GMP has very good questions, so which would be useful in the last leg of your preparation, not only for the people who are writing JE this year, but also who are preparing for the JE in the coming years. It's a very good source of questions that you will have. Yeah, some of the AITS do have solutions, right? So but they will not be satisfactory, so I'll try my best to explain the concepts through those problems. So please do stay tuned, and I think those who have gone through my videos in the past also know how clearly and lucidly the explanations would be done in this particular format. Okay, so, and as I said, there is already an announcement that I have made about the Olympiad workout series, because Olympiads have started announcing their dates. I think the date for physics first stage, which is NSCP exam, is November last Sunday, I guess, right? So more in that, what is the requirements, and that's a big announcement video, so you need to have time to go through that. And I've put forward the books, resources, what we'll be doing, what are the kind of videos I'll be preparing, all the past papers I would be solving in those, right? So not just the Indian Olympiads, but also the other countries Olympiads, IPHO, APHO, all those things. So a lot of information is there in that announcement too, which is in link below in the description. So please make sure you go through them. And thank you very much. I hope I keep getting your support in the same way in the future also, and I would strive my best to upload more frequently, and that's a promise from my side. Okay, so please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and keep the company going, and let's see ourselves in the other video. Okay, right? So we'll be coming up with the AITS question within 2 or 3 days. Okay, so I'll be actually posting in the next 2 days questions on Olympiad series, and also the Pathfinder announcement is also there. So link for the Pathfinder series announcement also is in the description below. So please make sure you go through them, and then we'll go forward from there. Okay, so thank you, and see you on the other side.